Hi boys and girls, it's Kara. I wanted to connect with you before you started your assignments for this week and give you a little reminder on how to access BrainPop. As you can see for this week's assignments, math and science and reading is required. You can see math and science right here, and then scrolling down you can see that reading and actually writing is also required. Writing is going to be a little bit different though. Anyways, getting back to BrainPop. One way you can always access BrainPop is through the link that I share right in here. And if you've used BrainPop before, which you should have because we've had a few assignments, it should access it and go right to it. You can see that I have it set up right now. So it tells me watch the movie. And then part 2 is in your science notebook. Define the consumer, producer, and decomposer by providing examples and the purpose of each. And as a reminder too, in your science notebook, you're going to title it Ecosystems, put the date, and then put that information into the table of contents. We are problem solvers though in classroom too, and we don't give up on things when we can't get it right away. And so you as 4th and 5th graders already know that you can also access BrainPop through the Edina portal. And so if you can't get to the assignment through the link, you click on the icon in the Edina portal, and yours is going to look a little bit different since you're the student and you're right now seeing the teacher one. But the assignment that you're going to have a dashboard and it has assignments just like this. And you just click on the ecosystems one and you're going to get to right where you need to be. If by chance you are logged out and you can't get access in right away, it doesn't open right away for you. Oops, we're just going to go right here. I want you to click login. And you can decide, you can either do, actually I don't want you to decide. I want you to use Clever, please. And for Clever, what you need to do is, sometimes it might not be synced with the account. Mine isn't for some reason right now. But I am a problem solver and I am going to keep typing until I find the school that I want. Our school, Highlands Elementary in Edina, Minnesota. I click on that. And there we go, it logs me right in. So now there's no more problems with getting into BrainPop. These assignments are required for the first face-to-face meeting that you have after these assignments. We're using them. So if you have any problems, you need to let me know right away so that we can do some problem solving so that you are ready to be a learner for our face-to-face. All right, see you soon.